very healthy individual, then what do you think keeps me going? What helps me to remain healthy? Well, the answer is my immunity. And what gives me the strength to maintain my immunity? The answer is a healthy, balanced diet. But the sad part is, when we try to balance our diet, most of us usually tend to cut down on our calorie intake. The truth is, calorie controlled diet is important, but at the same time, from where the calories come are equally important. If it was only about calories, then we could have had 1200 kilocalorie worth of ice cream and still be fine. But in reality, the sources of calories are important, and only then we can call it a balanced diet. Studies say 9 out of 10 Indians are protein deficient. Nearly half the country is overeating and half is starving. But the most common thing is that both their diets lack in protein. In addition to that, you will meet many people whose weight is under control. But the moment you analyze their body composition, you will see that they have more fat mass than required and less muscle mass, which proves how their diet has little or less protein. So who needs a balanced diet? Everyone. With Formula 1, you can enjoy 2 options of meals per day as per your requirement. You may follow high protein meal replacement that gives you an option to have high protein meal recommended basis our clinical study on Formula 1 and personalized protein powder, which is 25 grams of Formula 1 plus 300 ml of skimmed milk and 2 scoops of personalized protein powder twice daily. Option 2 is based on the nutraceutical regulation, that is 25 grams of Formula 1 nutritional shake mix and 300 ml skimmed milk. Consumption of high protein meal replacement along with calorie restricted diet and moderate physical activity daily shows reduction in body weight and body fat percentage along with improvement and healthy maintenance of blood lipid profile. So enjoy great tasting Formula 1 nutritional shake mix and change your lifestyle for good.